Yo, what is up everyone? Stranger Things back again with another video. As you can tell, it's almost 2 a.m. Singapore time and I'm going to have to go to sleep real soon because I have to wake up for work in a couple of hours time. But I just learned recently about this NFT collection that's coming out in about 4 hours from now at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time on 24th March, which is about 6:30 a.m. in Singapore time for me. So that gives me about 4 hours sleep. But I just want to get this message out very quickly in case you guys manage to watch this in time. So this new NFT launch that I'm going to be talking about that's coming out in 4 hours time is actually called the XCopy's X Paint Collection or Max Paint Collection. So basically, right, why I'm sharing about this project is because XCopy itself is a very reputable project. If you look at their previous project flaws, right, there's nothing else that needs to be said. Basically, you can see floor price is so high and there's also very good activity. The animation is very unique and there's a very distinctive flavor in the types of creation that it comes out with. So this is another one of its collections. You can tell basically there's good volume. Yep, and it has sustained over a long period of time, and that goes for both of his projects currently, and now he's launching a third one. And one more thing I also wanted to share is that basically XCopy is an OG in this whole digital art space. He dates back to about 2013 based on what I've researched so far, which is probably about a good less than half an hour of research because I had to get this video out really soon and I really want to go back to bed. But anyway, he even has had very high sales on to celebrities, right? Like Snoop Dogg actually bought one of his NFTs for $3.9 million, and I heard that wasn't even the largest sale that he made. But basically, yeah, so this collection holds very high potential simply because of this XCopy's very high track record. So what's going to be happening is basically there's going to be this open edition that's available for mint in about 4 hours from now, as I mentioned. The downside here is that because this is open edition, right, it essentially means there's no cap to the mint supply. But that being said, it's only going to be open for 10 minutes, so anything can happen after this. And as you can see, the mint price is also rather expensive, but I'm still going to likely be going for this because yeah, I really see some potential good upside. But please, because this mint is rather expensive, right, even if you do manage to watch this video in time, do bear this in mind that yep, anything can happen in the NFT space. Please do your own research, and there's some more specifics that I'd like to go through here very quickly, right? So basically, this is going to be the largest NFT collection he ever has. All his previous collections, I think, were very small in size, like you see here, 1,400 items and 666 items. And furthermore, it's going to be adding a burn mechanism. What basically happens is that if you burn this NFT, right, basically you'll be entitled to so-called some kind of a raffle that lets you be able to mint this after burn collection at this stated time. And if you actually burn 2 of this, right, you get to mint, I believe, and either of this. What I do know is that there's only about 100 or so wallets that possess 2 of these NFTs, so this is going to be very limited edition. Okay, so I'm going to be wrapping up this video. I don't think I'll have much time to edit it, but yeah, thanks for bearing with me. Stay safe, and if you like this video, please subscribe if you'd like to see more, and all the best with the mint. Good luck, peace.